Alright, so I have a YouTube post, a reaction from my YouTube post last night regarding transit cops, the sheriff, and the CPD of number 3, what did I say, 352325? Oh, alright, he was hovering, I pointed the camera, and off he goes. It is September 9. As soon as I pointed my camera at him, he flew away. And that's the reaction. He was hovering for quite a while, and I heard him. And I pointed my camera. I waited just to see what would he do once I pointed my camera at him. And so, as soon as I did that, I think he's landing right on that building. So whoever lands on that building, maybe a CSU cop, with the plate number 251153, because that cop was a frequent merchant at the YWCA managed Norma Her Women's Shelter. Let's see if this is another setup right here. What's happened in the past is that they'll send people from either the men's shelter or the women's shelter to pass me on the street and give me messages. One of them, for a few times, was a bullet in the ass. Right. So my post yesterday, I posted that RTA driver with the dyed red hair, and I stated that I figured out, I'm 99% sure, that she's dating a transit cop, one of them who have arranged the assaults against me on the buses, and who hacked my phone. And that's the reaction I got. I'm going to continue to see the reaction today. When I go to the bus stop right now to get bus 90 to Summit County Line via Alexander, I'm going to see if that bus pulls back.